Hi there, I'm Talamont Newman Jr. from Portland, Oregon, and I'm going to walk you through setting up a project and recording with Pro Tools 12 and Saffire Mix Control. So we're going to start off here in Saffire Mix Control, and we're going to make sure our sample rate and our buffer size are where we want them. I need my sample rate at 44.1 because I am syncing it with O1V, and it needs to be external. Down here under settings, we'll have our buffer size. I like to use 1024 because typically a lot of the work that I do is doing recording with live sound, so I want to be able to have that buffer to be able to utilize effects in a live setting. From there, we'll switch on over to our Pro Tools. Everything is in order here. Over here in Pro Tools, we'll create a new session. Let's call this a Coursera test. Alright, we want to have that as a WAV file. Make sure our sample rates match 44.1 at 24-bit depth. Want those interleaved. And my I/O settings are just the last settings that I've used, and Pro Tools set them up automatically when it detected the Saffire. Down here we're going to have prompt for location so that we can name our file and we can know where it's at, and go ahead and create. Here it will prompt you to name your file. I already have a file set up for Pro Tools. I can name any of my projects here in Pro Tools. We'll just call this, it's already named, Coursera test. Save that, and now we wait. Computer's a little slow. Might have to edit this part out. La da da da, la da da dee, la da da do, and there we go. Alright, now we're ready to go. From here, I'm going to go up to Setup, go back to your playback engine, and here's where you'll be able to check your hardware settings and make sure that you're connected to your interface. Now, to set up recording. First, we'll need an audio channel. I like to use Control-Shift in the command keys. You can also come up here to Track and select New. It will tell you the quick command as well. Here, you'll go to Create. You want one mono audio track. We'll go ahead and create that audio track. We're going to put our microphone onto that track. There we go. It's on channel 1. We arm it, and now you can see that it's playing there. Alright, now we're going to want to add one other track. We're going to want to add an instrument track. This instrument track is where we're going to put our click track. Down here in Instrument, click 2, automatically sets at 120. We'll just leave that just the way it is. And we're going to need one more track, and that will be our stereo master track. Now we'll create that. We have all of our outs. Alright, now we'll bring up our transport window, because I like to work from this big transport window. This is how we set our pre-rolls and our post-rolls and our count off, so that when we start, it will tick off and give us a count off and then a click as we begin. Thusly. One, two, three, four, it keeps clicking and we're recording. This is really easy. I hope you enjoyed this. And that is how you make a recording.